leaky fork seal. Woke up and there were puddles of oil on the ground, and I guess when I went down, some grit got up in here. So I popped the metal seal that goes here off. I used a little screwdriver to pop the dust cap out. And I wiped it all down. And I cut myself a piece of 2-liter bottle with a little hook shape there at the end. And then I just popped it on. Slide it up into it. And spin it a little bit. I do this about 4 or 5 times. Going around as far as I can. And be careful when you take it off that it doesn't spray oil right in your face, like what happened to me the first time. And you'll see a bunch of grit like I did in here. I'll wipe this down, wipe this down, do it again. Up, in, around as far as it go. And pull out easily. I'm not really getting any gunk in here anymore. Wipe this down again. And then you've got to reseat the fork. So I'm going to push down on it a few times. Let's see what we got. A little gunk, not too much. Wipe that off. This again. I don't see any oil coming out of here. Do it one more time. See anything? It may have worked, time will tell. All I did was take the 2 screws off of here to loosen this. Pop those off and use my handy improvised fork seal cleaner. Let's put it together and see if it stays clean. Clean this out. I'm going to use the screwdriver and a piece of my underwear rag to clean this thing out because it's gooey. It's actually making this thing dirty. So I put it back up in there. Yeah, I put it down in some sand and dirt, doing a little mini hill climb. Not so hard enduro. And next thing I know, alright, well hopefully that did it. We'll try and take a look at it later, see if it's dripping. Alright, it's been a couple hours. Before, it pretty much was immediately dripping. And now it doesn't look like there's anything going on at all. Which means I may have fixed it and taken care of the leaky fork seal problem.